Alright, let's get into rebuilding this carburetor on this weed whacker here. It's an old weed whacker, it's weed eater, but they still pretty much make them almost the same concept at least. But anyway, let me show you how to get the carburetor off. Now, as you can see, this one don't have the filter in it. It's obvious. That's probably why it got cocked up. And see this fuel line here, everything is pretty old and it's been sitting, but you're gonna need about, I think this is a size 4 Allen wrench, and just pretty much it's just these two screws right here. But this is the part where a lot of people who just beginning to work on stuff get stuck, because these carburetors tend to stay stuck on even after you remove these two screws. And some people think there's other screws on here, but they'll come off with a nice little tug. But it's been sitting a while, so they pretty much are stuck on there. But a good yank will remove it. As you see right there, it took a little force to get it off. And this gasket doesn't look pretty bad, but I might keep it just in case I have to reuse it. But I'm gonna buy a whole rebuild kit for this. Hopefully it's here today. Should be here today. But anyway, folks, we're going to be rebuilding this carburetor right here. If the part's not here today, I'm not going to take it apart today. I'll wait till everything is here, but just work with me. Now, just in case you might have to wind up reusing this gasket, don't just rip it off. Try to get you a knife or something thin like I'm doing right here to pry it off. Flathead screwdriver, something, just so the gasket is reusable. That's all I'm going after right here. I mean, you don't have to, but you never know what may happen. Now, what I'm going to do is go ahead and clean this part up real quick a little bit. I'm just using some carburetor cleaner right here, some choke. But what this is going to do is it'll prevent a lot of this little small stuff from going up in there as much as possible. I mean, it's pretty dirty. I'm just saving myself some work here and cleaning it up as much as I can before I open it up. All right, guys, I'm going to clean this all up. I'll see you in a minute.